I work at Valmont, and every day I help change the world. At Valmont, we do big things. We deliver electric power. We make roadways safer. We connect people. We harness and process natural and sustainable resources. We get more from the fresh water that grows our food. We extend the life of metal products, and we light the way. We touch millions of lives in subtle but important ways every day. Valmont provides me great pay, benefits, and the stability of working for a global leader. And when you consider that internal promotions are how Valmont fills nearly 40% of its open positions, I know they value my hard work and want me to move up and grow professionally. Valmont employs over 10,000 people at 80 different facilities around the world, so my career potential is as big as my imagination and desire. It's not the real reason I work here. Valmont's commitment to changing the world is built on a family-first culture that values passion, integrity, continuous improvement, and delivering results. I guess when you add it up, it's Valmont's way of letting me build my world. Why do I work at Valmont? I work at Valmont because Valmont just works for me.